Make a great choice today with the 2021 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 2-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, traction control. Inside you'll find audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, multifunction display, child safety locks, door courtesy lights, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation,